Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Bristol Clean. Just at a little apartment here today. They moved out. We got to get it ready for the move in, and just doing a little inspection that I do to find out if there's any if there have been any pets or whatnot, and to see if the pets have been going on the carpet. So I got my trusty UV crime scene investigation light, and whoa boy, look at that. So you don't see it, but look at all that. Some urine there. Ooh, some over here. Check this out. If I turn the lights off, you'll really see it. See that? So they had a dog, and it's been going over here for sure. Turn off some more lights. Nope, that turned a light on. All right, there's one there. Look at all these right here. Yep. Going to the bedroom. See what's brewing. Bedroom seems to be okay. So everything is kind of all in that hallway and a little bit out into the living room, which makes it an easy fix. So anyway, there you have it. Just right up to there. All right, well, I will treat this with a probiotic. That good bacteria will digest the bad bacteria, as well as we have some enzymes that we use that also digest it. And usually within 24 hours to 48 hours, you can't smell it anymore. It's completely digested. Alrighty, well, this is just a little bit of what I do, and hope you found this interesting. Talk to you all later. Bye.